Hi, I'm Kathryn Gomes. I'm the author of Exploring Creation with Mathematics. And in this video, I want to be showing you the Unit 4 skills practice for Level 2, so the second grade book. So in this skills practice, we are going to be reviewing the skills of counting up coins because we learned a lot about money in the last unit, and then also telling time. So kids had a lot of fun learning about time and money in Unit 3, but most kids are going to need more practice, and so that's why we have it on this skills practice. It is laid out in the pacing guide in the front so that you know exactly what to do when. And then it's also explained in detail for you in the teaching guide. All right, well, let's look up counting up coins first of all. Well, I think the simplest and probably most motivated way is to have real coins that your kid counts up and sees how much they have. So if they have a piggy bank or if you have a coin jar, you can have them count, their own savings that they've gotten from doing chores and things like that. Or you can take your coin jar and just give them different amounts each day and have them find the total. Really fun. That's concrete. It's applied to real life. So that's probably the best way to do it. But we do have some other suggestions. So you could play Coin War. So what's Coin War? Well, they played this in Unit 3, but let me just show it to you to refresh your memory. All right, so what happens is each kid has a brown bag with some coins in it, and there's 2 players at least. You can have more than that. They reach in and they grab a certain number of coins blind without feeling, try not to cheat and grab those quarters, and whoever has the highest amount wins all the coins. All right, that one is fun. Also, spin to $1. So in spin to $1, they use this spinner. You put a paper clip right here with a pencil and just flick it. Actually works really well, and it's so much easier than like a real spinner. And they get whatever amount is on here, and whichever player gets to $1 first wins. And this is noted before you start Unit 3, but you really want to have them with real coins. I know that can sometimes be a little bit of a hassle, but that's the best way for them to learn this, is to be working with real coins. It's worth the time and effort to do that. All right, so that's the coins. Now, let's talk about telling time. So they did so much practice with telling time, but they're gonna need additional practice. All right, simplest thing, just like I said, have them count up coins with time. You wanna have an analog clock. If you own one, put that front and center in your homeschool room and just ask them occasionally, okay, what time is it? Tell me this. Maybe every day when you start math, they tell you the time. You could change your settings on your phone so that it doesn't display digitally. It displays, with the hands. That could be a great way to do that. And, if they start using things like half pass, quarter till, even better. That can be kind of like a bonus that you're working towards. Another idea is they created a paper clock themselves, a paper plate clock. You can see right here that has the hands and it helps them with the minutes and that type of thing. So you can practice this skill by you telling them a couple different times, and they have to show you on the clock. And then finally, there was a matching activity that looks like this in Lesson 67. So it's like cards where they have to match the digital time, the words, and then the clock, and keep those in an envelope and just have them play that real quick as part of the skills practice. This is a fun one. I hope you enjoy this skills practice.